In this video, we're going to go over how to decorate for Airbnb and, make your space stand out. Because, whether you're starting from scratch or giving your space a refresh, these simple tips I'll give you will make your listing actually stand out. So look at some of these listings right here. You want to choose a theme first. So a well-decorated, Airbnb should feel like you are inviting them there. It should feel cohesive. You want to pick a theme that suits your location and the target guest. If you're doing a modern, if you're doing minimal, or even a cozy, rustic vibe, you want to stick to a consistent color scheme to keep things visually appealing. This is my listing right here. And you need to keep it neutral and inviting. You want to use light neutral colors like white, beige, and soft grays. This makes the spaces feel bigger and cleaner. Okay? You want to add pops of color with accent pillows, rugs, and, sometimes artworks to bring personality without overwhelming the space. Okay? And you also need to invest in quality bedding and furniture. So look at this, right? You want to have comfort for your guests because comfort is key. You want to choose a high quality mattress, soft linens, plush pillows. You want to give the guests a hotel like experience, right? So if you're furnishing on a budget, you want to mix affordable pieces with a few statement items like a stylish headboard or a unique coffee table. Okay. And you can also go ahead and add functional and aesthetic touches. For example, you could go ahead and use warm lighting or lamps with or soft LED bulbs to create a cozy atmosphere. Hang large mirrors to make smaller spaces feel bigger and brighter. You want to provide blackout curtains. For example, look at this one. I have curtains right here that you can go ahead and use for a better sleep quality. You can close all of this. You want to include a desk or workspace for business travelers, right? And you want to decorate with local or personal touches. Guests love a unique experience. You want to add local artwork, like this is near a national park. As you can see, we have a unique feel. Look at this unique touch artwork, right? Look at this feel. Look at this. This looks like you're near a cave, right? This place is in the mountains, so that does make sense for this area. Look at this local furniture, as you can see, and every bathroom is highlighted. This is near a national park, so you can see um, some wooden. So here, I think that's an antelope. So we have some wooden artifacts on the wall. So basically, you want to have that unique feel. And you can also decorate with personal touches, like, give a smart and local architecture as well. And I have right here some mirrors, as you can see. Use anything local if you can. Give them that local feel as well, right? You can also have a handwritten note or welcome basket snacks. Provide them, make your guests feel happy, but you want to keep it minimal and clutter free. Because when it comes to Airbnb listings, less is more. Okay, look at this. You're one with nature, right? This is the local feel. This is how the locals usually sit around. So if you can add greenery, fresh elements like this one right here. We have plants going on even in the house, right? Go ahead and do that. And you want to create some Instagram worthy moments. Okay, that will really help your place stand out. Maybe a unique wallpapered accent wall, stylish outdoor seating area, right? That can encourage guests to basically go ahead and book your space, take share photos, and it'll also give you free exposure. And that's, guys, how you decorate for Airbnb.